Is that it? Boom. That's amazing. It's so beautiful. All at Kings Island. Cool. You're recording? You should record like this. I'm recording like this side. That's so cool. Ah, is it over? No. Oh, that's cool.
Live 10 o'clock show.
How long does it last?
3
Just I got recording on my phone. Won't record up to 4 minutes for some reason. Bam. I just heard this big boom noise right outside. I was like, what? Everybody out on town on the streets looking at it. Hi, people. Everybody's out on their balconies. For real. The people next door aren't. That's sad. They're missing out on the good. On the good. Yeah. That means they're closing right now.
after the fireworks.
Yeah, I know. I don't know how they managed to pull this off in the earliest September.
Finale.
Oh, that's awesome.